everyone, Tiara here with Gypsyfae Creations. Thanks so much for tuning in. Just popping in for a quick little video today. I wanted to try out one of the Aztecs sample fragrances that I got, as well as pulling out the Popsicle mold because, I mean, it's summer and it only makes sense to include popsicles in this next release. So I have my oils here that are at room temperature. I've got my coconut milk powder in there and my kaolin clay, and then I have my room temperature lye solution that also has sodium lactate and tussa silk in it, and we're going to mix these two things together. Give it a little buzz, and then we're going to split it off into some colors and try out this fragrance. Three different colors going on here. I want to try and mimic the look of a dragon fruit. So this is just some titanium dioxide in water that I will add some poppy seeds to look like the little seeds. And here is some jade green mica, and that is by Nurture. And then into the big bucket I have some Summer Kiss, that is a soapbox mica colorant. And these two colors, this green and this pink, are going to be swirled together. So I'm going to mix them together first. We'll do an in the pot swirl and we'll pour it into the popsicle mold. And then this I'm going to set aside until the end, when I just do a little layer on top of the popsicles to represent that fleshy fruit on the inside. So let's set that to the side, give these a little mix, tell you about the fragrance. The fragrance is called Dragon Fruit Poptail, and it has notes of dragon fruit slices, guava juice, bergamot, coconut blossom syrup, jasmine petals, and gin in it. And I'm only adding it to mostly, I'll save just a little bit of it. It has some vanillin in it. I'll save just a little teeny tiny bit of it for that white portion because I don't want it to turn my white any funky colors. So let's mix that in by hand and see how it behaves. It smells very sweet and delectable. So far it is behaving very well. It did have a lot of good reviews. It was like 5 stars. And when I heard Poptail, I was like, oh, that'll be perfect for some popsicle soaps. Alright, that looks good. So let's just pour this green into the pink for a little in the pot swirl, and then I will start pouring into my silicone popsicle molds. Alright, easy peasy. Time to put the lid on. And I didn't fill them all the way up to the tippy top because you still have to put the popsicle sticks in there, and that pushes that batter up. So you don't want that to go everywhere besides in the popsicle. And then this lid just holds it in place and keeps it straight, which is really nice. So I'll let these sit for 24, maybe 48 hours because it is a little bit of a struggle to get them out of this mold. Sometimes you actually have to put them in the freezer to get them out, but we'll see. I'll test it out and see what it's like after 24, if not come back in 48. And then there's a couple more finishing touches to put on them, but that is it. the final thing I'm going to do for this soap is to put a little bite mark in as a added design. So I have this, I don't even know where I got this, but it is a heart. It's like ruffled edges, and if you just use like the little rounded part of this heart and take off a corner, it looks like there's a bite taken out of this popsicle, and I just think it's the cutest thing. I've always wanted to do this, but it's been like, do I really want to take off a piece of soap? Like, then you got all these little bits. Hello. I'd rather give you guys a whole soap, but I just thought it would be a really cute design, and I'm just barely taking off that little bit of a corner on there. Little teeny nibble taken out of it. The one thing I did learn about a Poptail is that it is a real thing. This fragrance taught me that. There's even a recipe on Aztec's website for a dragon fruit Poptail, and it makes sense to me, but it is a boozy, icy pop for adults. So Popsicle and Cocktail create Poptail. Never knew that. Won't be indulging in any of those this summer, but here's another soap that I'm just going to live vicariously through. So I think this is adorable, and now I want to make more popsicles and take more bites out of them. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to purchase one of these soaps, you can get your hands on one. June 26th is the next shop update. If you did enjoy this video, please give me a thumbs up. New to the channel and you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button and that notification bell. Any questions or comments, you can leave them for me in the comment section down below. And until next time, I hope you guys have a very nice day, and I will smell you later.